seen? But it's not a Michael Jackson bumbleclot element. And not a little, with the next one named Prince element and them kind of little bip bop bumbleclot element. It's too, it's too black for them. Is that I want to know if it's too bumbleclot black for them or it's too right for them? Because it's not wrong, because people don't want wrong things.
But in a way, we've had to start companies which are reggae video companies, or this video company, or that video company, that just deal with that, because they don't.
I know that.
And that's what I have.
Well, my dear, I'll show you like no. When you mention this, I'm very glad you mentioned this, because, you see, as I say, these are the things, I don't cut you as I say.
I'm sorry, was there a record for that video?
A record? Yes, yes.
So why can't the video be, so why can't the video be released at the same time?
For example, when I asked EMI why